So you don't want to pay to backtest your trading strategy, you need this. So the website I use to backtest for free is gocharting.com, this one. So you just need to sign up, and you'll be able to actually backtest in the past like you want, any pairs, any time frame. Let's go. Like I'm gonna try GBP USD right now in the 5 minute. Let's go. Click on replay mode, and it looks very like trading views. So I'm gonna go more in the past. I'm gonna stop here, like you can see. So how it works is very simple. You will need this bar actually. So if you want to let the price run, you click on this button, and if you want to pause the price, if you want to stop, click on the same button. And this is for the pace of the price. So I usually use this just to move quicker till I wanna, because like me, I trade 8 a.m. to 11. I fast pace like this, and I go in 1 second, and then I can really see the candle print bar by bar. That's pretty much it for the little tutorial. I think you'll be able to handle the website because it's very similar as TradingView, and you don't have to pay, you just have to sign up, and you got all this for free. And they even got like the indicators too. Anytime if you trade with indicators, me personally I don't, but if you need, I don't know, any type of indicators, they got it all. You know what I'm saying? And I heard like TradingView, you can have access to more like than 3 on the chart. If you trade with indicators, you can use like pretty much a lot, on this one. I don't know why I'm putting, but I'm just like, oh my god, you can use them all. I think, oh my days. While on TradingView, you need to pay like way more, like you need to pay like the premium, I think, to get like 5 indicators and more if you trade with indicators. Oh my god. Okay. I'm just gonna close all those indicators because it's very messy, man. So this is it for the video, man. If you liked it, if you're gonna use the website, that's good. If you like the video, push thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see each other in a better video, another video. We're gonna stay consistent this year. Let's go, man. Stay disciplined. Let's go. Peace.